In a peaceful forest, there lived a tiny green parrot named Pico. The other animals thought Pico was too small and weak to do anything important. One hot summer day, a terrible fire suddenly spread through the forest. But Pico refused to give up. He carried tiny drops of water again and again. The animals laughed and asked, "How can such tiny drops stop a huge fire?" Pico replied, "I may be small, but I am doing my part."
We must be brave now. Follow me.
Inspired by Pico's courage, all the animals joined together to save the forest. From that day on, the forest remembered that even the smallest act of courage can make a big difference.